I have a dream about a horse, but that's another story. I want to live in a world where we are not afraid of mosquitoes, and rain, and catches, and other communist propaganda. We want to live in a world where we can drink a Fanta Exotic without being afraid of its made in Bangladesh by children workers in chemical baths. We shall not fear global warming. We shall bid it welcome with open arms. We will make this happen by advising people to let their car stand turned on in an additional extra hour so we can grow tomatoes in the backyard without using a greenhouse. I want to live in a world where old people are not afraid of walking on the streets because of cracks in the pavement. I have a dream where every person over 60 is deported to other nations, such as Sjælland and other Swedish colonies. The people should not be afraid of their government. The government should be afraid of their people. That's my dream.
Er den fin nok, eller skal der ekstra toast?